day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Emeros Villanueva Paingan, single with one child, 3 years old, living in Sumawini, Isabela, Philippines. I have one brother, 2 sisters. I am the second child. I am senior high school graduate and I took up technical vocational learning for hotel and restaurant.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have a work experience here in Philippines as a housemaid for 2 years. I serving one couple and one child 4 years old. I do cleaning, mopping, vacuuming, cooking, laundry, ironing, and my main duty is taking care of the child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, I check the temperature and talk to my employer that the baby is sick.
How would you describe yourself?
Hardworking, responsible, and honest.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For my family and for the future of my child.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your child?
Yes, sir. My husband and my mother.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
Focus on my job, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. and I usually wake up 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Be calm and
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes,
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, mom and sir. Hope you select as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible. And I promise to finish my contract to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.
Okay.